Hi, this is Sister People. Hi people, we are here at Swansea McDonald, right?
Yes.
Okay. My sister Lavinia. So here today we're going to Gala in Newcastle. Gala in Swansea and Newcastle. Hello, La Vivi. Okay. Alright, okay, go walk. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito, no? Itong palm tree to, di ba? We're here near to Cave Beach in Swansea with my sister Lavinia. So, you are my team today, sister. Okay. Ayan, o-order muna kami, guys. O-order muna kami, guys. Teka muna, i-start pa lang. Ayan, recording na. Alright, we are here at Swansea McDonald with my sister, La Vivi. Okay, I have frozen orange and she have orange juice.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Na tayo.
Okay, let's go. Outside na. Bakit lalamigin ka? Outside na tayo dahil kasi music. Okay, this is sister treat. We're here outside, so the music. Ito, ay, ang dumi nito. Oo, ito na lang. Here. Okay, let's have a look what she having. Inya,
Ay,
meron.
sa'yo wala.
Ha? Gaga, ayan, oh, plat. Yung plat na yan.
Lang sa'yo.
Oo, yan, sa'yo yan.
I think
Ito.
Mirko, may
Oo, ito yung akin. Ayan, ito yung akin, plat lang. Flat sausage, no? Sa'yo, pancake. And ano, hindi chips, ano, ang tawag dyan? Yung hindi chips,
Hash brown.
oo, hash brown. O sige, nakamain ka na.
Kain na tayo.
I want to see what's your show to the vlog.
Okay, hold on.
Meron daw ngayong bagong pistachio inyeng ice cream. Meron kaya dito?
Okay na.
Oo.
Ako lalagay ito.
Dito. Oo, sa Europe daw inya, meron silang ice cream na McFlurry na pistachio.
Dahil hati tayo sa hash brown.
Hindi na, kainin mo na. Ayokong tumaba, kaya ngayon lang in-order ko eh. Hoy, bukas mo tingnan natin kung ano yan. Kung ano itsura. Ano ba itsura niyang in-order mo?
Dali.
Ayokong tumaba, kaya yun lang maliitang...
Marami siya.
Tatlo. Kailangan ilagay mo yung butter tsaka syrup mo ng mainit. Kung hindi,
Sige, ang bahala.
hindi matutunan.
Okay.
O, ayan na ha. So, ngayon, sige, eat muna.
Tayo. Eat.
Teka, i-off ko na to. Ito, on.
Diba?
Oo, ayan, di ba pathway na yan? Careful ka sa car. Ayan, dito na kami sa Swansea McDonald near... Oh, inya ha, be careful the car. We're near to Cave Beach. But we are going to walk here to the shops. This about like 30 minutes drive to our place, no? 30 to 40 minutes, no? Na? Tapos, there's a library nearby. Yeah. My sister, V. And here, after the McDonald's, here's their library here. And this is the main street. Back to our place there. And here we are in Swansea Library. This is their library here, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng library nila rito, no? Welcome to Lake Macquarie. Wait, Inya. We are going to take this what they have here. Top 21 places to visit here.
Picturean mo din.
Oo. Yan, Catherine Hill Bay. Maganda rin pala ang Catherine Hill Bay. Ano to? Walara National Park? Saan tong Walara? Baka dito sa atin tong Walara. Hindi kaya? Meron daw sila inya ritong Pelican Foreshore eh, oh. Hindi mo alam saan to?
Baka doon.
Tsaka Blacksmith's Beach.
Oo, Blacksmith.
Alam mo kung saan? Ito yung Caves Beach, no? Itong Pulba Island. May Pulba Island. Ito, ano naman to? Merong Macquarie Airport. Ito, cycle. Meron din silang cycle track. Ito yung Belmont Foreshore. To catch the sunset, dine. Sa Belmont, baka ito yung pinupuntahan natin, no? Green Point Shore Reserve. Ito naman yung Spear Point. Lampas na ng lampas na ng Belmont. Warner, saan yung Warner? Warner's Bay, hindi nadaanan natin, no?
Oo.
Ito na yung Charlestown, yung department store. Redhead Beach.
Maganda yan. Pinupuntahan ko yun.
Gaano kalayo?
Doon lang.
Malapit lang?
Malapit. Halfway sa Lumasa.
Redhead Beach. Bakit tinawag na Redhead?
Redhead o.
Oo, tapos yung Warners. Belmont. Kukuhaan din natin. Oo, di ba malamig na? Ito ano daw to? Museum of Art and Culture, Yapang. Ano naman to? Watagan Mountains? Naku, ayoko ng mga ganyang...
Watagan yan.
Watagan? Saan banda yan?
Like
Where's
Morrison. Like sa Morrison.
Ito naman, Multi-Arts Pavilion. Saan yung Mima? Creative Lake Sculpture. Tingnan nga natin yan. Ayan yung Redhead Beach.
Ano yung Redhead?
Asan yung Watagan?
Carlstown. Watagan dito yun. Dito.
Ito,
Ay,
Hunter.
Morrison. Dito yung Watagan.
Hindi naman nila nilagay, no? So, yan, Morissette, and then Rathmines ba ang read dyan?
Oo, Rathmine.
Oo, tas Toronto. Nakadrive na tayo dito eh, no? Toronto, Boragul, Spear Point, Hunter. Ito na nga. Tinitingnan lang natin para Catherine Hill Bay, Caves Beach. Magkasunod na pala ang Caves Beach at Catherine Hill Bay. No? Ang ganda ng library nila rito, guys. Ang ganda ng library. Ang laki. No, ang laki ng library nila. Sige na, walk na. Ikaw ang aking star for today. Sister. Ikaw ang star for today ng movie to. Tapos yan ang mga bus nila dito, no? Sa side. Our favorite place here, the entrance, Swansea, Belmont. It's only 30 to 40 minutes drive to our place. Our favorite peaceful town. And more scenic and water views, water sides, no? They have waterside parks and waterside clubs, restaurant. Inya, anong aso yan? Inya, anong aso yun? Ha? Hindi ba ganyan yung mga pitbull daw?
Parang half girl.
Mm. Ano daw ang pitbull eh? Sabi ni Kevin eh.
Bad.
Oo. Ken ano daw, the Joe. Ken ano yun? Oo. You'll be dead daw, di ba? If the pitbull catch your throat, no? So where we are, ito pharmacy. Sister want to. Mabuting mag-walk tayo, tingnan mo, exercise. Medyo inaano na ako niya. Hinihingal. Kasi nga, siguro sa smoke, eh, no? Kaya kailangan lalabas-labas tayo.
Basta tanggap.
Kasi naluloko ko sa loob ng naninigarilyo, no?
Basta tanggap na lang tayo.
Ito naman, coffee shop siya. So, the other side here is a water side already, guys. So, we're here in shop side. Ano naman to? Swansea Hotel, no? Accommodation. Open 7 days. Hindi ba parang dead sa Newcastle? May araw na tahimik sila. What? Lamington, custard tart.
Pagbalik na natin, habang nasa kotse tayo.
Ano yan? After lunch yan, Inya? Oo, dessert. Ito ano man to? Tindahan siya, Mark. Hindi yung kakain ka ng early.
Cake.
Ha?
Gusto mo mag-cake tayo sa Coles? Bili tayo sa Coles. Cake.
Not now.
Pagbalik natin.
Oo, mga hapon na. Kakakain lang natin naman eh. After lunch, ganon. Ay, may magic noodles sila. Ay, mga old TV. I remember we have something like that before.
Oo, yung puti.
But red color. What we have. And that antenna, no? Naka-on. Bakit naman nila ino-on? Mga old TV, hindi na gumagana yan. And then they have noodles here, Chinese. Nakakain na tayo ata dito eh, no? Walang price, no, niya? Yan, ikaw ang aking, ay, nakastop pala tayo. Ikaw ang aking, my sister V. We are here. Oh, ang ganda ng house na to niya. Tinan mo, white. Ang ganda, white ang house niya. Ano yan? At the back, water na yan eh, no? So, it's a beautiful house here at Swansea. It's in the... I-reserve ko. No, i-reserve ko para mamaya. Okay, guys. Here's their fuel station here in Swansea. That's the prices of fuel gas here. Hello. I'm taking the prices of the fuel B, and that's the main street going back home, and this one the street going to Newcastle and St. George. St. George. Going to Newcastle and Charlestown. Jessica, inyak. Lakad ka. Oo. Yan. Dito na kami. We're going to other part. We park here and walk to shop to shop. Now we're going back to the car. And then go to other town. So next town, no? We're going to the next town.
Ayaw mo mag-lunch sa pizza. Ng lunch.
Pizza, not healthy. Yung healthy, di ba? Pag ano yun, ano na naman, tag to? Carbohydrate, tsaka oil. Kailangan ng ano natin yung vegetables. Ha? Yung noodles, carbohydrate din yan eh. No? We have to look that curry siguro pwede. Hindi ba? Ha? Curry. So that's the way going back home there. Oh, ito cute na. I like this too. Ano ka? Saan?
Makita ko sa ano.
Hindi.
1,200.
Kung may nagbebenta ng ganong halaga, usually they putting to 10 nya. Lalo if bago-bago nya. Ayan, starting in nya. We are in Charlestown Square. Nya. Bakit ano yan? Magka-join na ang St. George tsaka ano?
Saan tayo?
Magka-join na ang St. George tsaka Westpac?
Saan tayo?
Ikaw, saan ba?
Sa JB dito. JB.
Okay, dito muna tayo sa taas. Mamaya bababa tayo. Bababa din ba tayo?
Siyempre, titignan natin lahat.
Hurry. Oh, you can... Yeah. Inya, dadaan siya. Spendless shoes. Ito ang JB. May titignan ka dyan? Pwede ko mag-CR? Saan yung CR dito? Ano? Hi! We see each other here. Mag-CR ako. Mag-CR ako. Is this near? Ask him, is there a near CR? Sa stair? So, I'll see you here. 15-20 minutes. Nandito. 15-20 minutes, ha? Bag, mobile. Michael Hill. Hanap muna ako ng toilet, guys. See you later, alligator. And nag-CR tayo. Nandito kami sa Charlestown. Sorry. Dito tayo sa Charlestown Center. Here's our OTD. Edit Phil Spanish Vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share. These are OTD for today. Skechers, Skechers sneaker, Shein pants, and just a light jacket. And bench bag, pink bag. So, paglabas sa CR, ito kagad ang inuminan. At when you turn left, it's a parking area there. Parking area. And here, sister went to JB Hi-Fi for 20 minutes. I think I'm going to have a look in there too. Oh, there's a H&M on the top there. Oh, look at the architecture. And ang H&M. And ang JB Hi-Fi. They have tea drinks here, milk tea. I think it's 4th floor in here. Tanong tayo kay sister sa JV. Okay, dito tayo sa Spangless shoes. Marami sila naman. Shoes here. Oh, this is good for winter, I think. Good for winter. Tignan nga natin presyo nun. Parang nasa ano rin pala tayo rito eh. Oh my God, the music. Parang nasa ano rin tayo dito. Port Bonifacio. In Manila. Ito ang kanilang Charlestown Square. So, yung music. Ayun ang pinaka-main road. Meron silang sushi musa doon. Ayun, sushi musa. Ito naman, barbecue town. Strike bowling bar. Barbecue town. Sushi musa doon. Tapos may grill doon sa other side doon. At ito ang pinaka main street. That's the main street. So, there's a stair here. Bakit hindi ka nagpunta sa ano? Hindi pwede dito. Doon ako sa baba pwede yung alam mo na. Pupunta ka dyan sa baba. Ganito pala rito. Ito yung pinaka-main nila. Ito yung harap.
Oo, ata.
O at least alam na natin, di ba? Pag naglalakad tayo, alam na natin kung saan yung pinaka-main street. I-off ko na. Hello guys! We are here at Charlestown Square. Newcastle na to, di ba? OTD, Skechers, sneakers, Shein pants, just a New York shirt. Edit Peel Spanish glove. Ay, ayun din. Guess what I found, guys? Here at Charlestown, Newcastle, Charlestown Square, they have a Krispy Kreme donuts. Yan na lang kaya bilhin mo. Oo, umupo tayo dyan. Gaga, syempre magla-lunch tayo. Titikman natin yan for ano. Tapos yung lunch, syempre different. Bumaniin niya. Hoy, tingin ka dito. Hindi ka naiinitan? Ano yung sa'yo? Orange juice. Hanap mo nga yung orange juice mo. Anong tatak? Ah, oo, orange. Sa akin, Coke. Sa akin, Coke. Tapos, we have a salsa. And we have mild salsa with onion, coriander, and jalapeno. And we have chips here. And, ang ganda ng bag nila, no, Inya? We have chips here and we have brisket. Brisket, rice, and cheese. Same with my sister. We're in Guzman Gomez Food Court in Charlestown. Ayun lang. There. Ah, they have cinema here. Why in area they don't have cinema? Ah, so here they have cinema, no? Ito ang food court nila in Charlestown. So that's the food court.